Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment, and my own channel for entertainment news and celebrity gossip happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when the story drops. Still on the ultimate love reality TV show, Jerry is not into me, we are just acting, Meritin says. Meritin have revealed that she's acting with Jerry just for the sake of the game. Recall that Jerry and Meritin was paired together to search for their ultimate love in the new TV reality show called Ultimate Love. This evening, while Meritin was discussing with Obiabi and Rosie, she disclosed that Jerry is not into her, and because of that, she's playing along with him. Meritin also added that Jerry is acting because of the camera. How can a man not stand up for you when you are in a situation? Meritin added. Meritin stated that she is just selling herself for the show and will get a man that will love her when she leaves the house. AB advised Meritin to protect herself and play her game so that people won't forget her when she leaves the house. Fans have reacted to the recent development and advised fans of Jerry and Meritin to save their money. So guys, what do you think about this? Please leave a comment in the section below.